Narrator, welcome to our journey through the sands of time, to the land of pharaohs, pyramids, and unparalleled mysteries. Welcome to ancient Egypt. Narrator, asterisk, ancient Egypt, one of the greatest civilizations in history, emerged around 3100 BC with the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt by the first pharaoh, Nama. Narrator, asterisk, Nama, also known as Menes, established the first dynasty, setting the foundation for a civilization that would last over 3000 years. Narrator, asterisk, one of the most iconic symbols of ancient Egypt is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built during the 4th dynasty for the pharaoh Khufu, it stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Narrator, asterisk, contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves but by a well-organized workforce of skilled laborers. These workers were paid and provided with food and housing. Narrator, asterisk, guarding the pyramids is the Great Sphinx, a limestone statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh, believed to represent Pharaoh Khaf. Narrator, asterisk, pharaohs were not only kings but also considered gods on earth. They played a crucial role in maintaining order, known as Maat, and were responsible for the prosperity and stability of the kingdom. Narrator, asterisk, religion was at the heart of Egyptian life. The ancient Egyptians worshipped a vast pantheon of gods and built grand temples, such as those at Karnak and Luxor, to honor them. Narrator, asterisk, the belief in an afterlife was central to Egyptian religion. To ensure a safe passage to the next world, they perfected the art of mummification and constructed elaborate tombs filled with everything the deceased might need. Narrator, asterisk, one of the most famous discoveries in Egyptology is the tomb of Tutankhamun, unearthed by Howard Carter in 1922. This young pharaoh's tomb was remarkably intact, providing invaluable insights into ancient Egyptian culture and burial practices. Narrator, the ancient Egyptians were also masterful artists and scribes. Their hieroglyphic writing system was not only a means of communication but also an art form, vividly depicting scenes of daily life, mythology, and history. Narrator, asterisk, today, the legacy of ancient Egypt continues to captivate and inspire. From monumental architecture to timeless art, the echoes of this extraordinary civilization still resonate across millennia. Narrator, join us next time as we uncover more secrets from the past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest historical adventures. Thanks for watching.